Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Please also head on over to our Instagram page, that is TXT Track Time, and give us a follow there as well. The link will be in the description. Now with that said, trackies, exciting news. World Athletics has released a list confirming 11, yes, a whole 11 nominees for the Women's World Athlete of the Year. Wow, a whole 11 trackies. I'm telling you, the women have always been killing it in track and field, and it's great to see the continued recognition of these amazing females in track and field. Now, without further ado, trackies, let's get into the list. Now, starting this list off, we have Tigist Asefi from Ethiopia. She's a marathoner. So she won the Berlin Marathon and is a world record holder over the marathon as well. Now we also have from the Netherlands, Femke Bal. She's a 400 meter / 400 meter hurdle specialist. Now she won the world title for the 400 meter hurdles, and of course she is the holder of the world indoor 400 meter record. Plus, of course, she is the Diamond League winner for the 400 meter hurdles. Now moving on to the one and only Shericka Jackson from Jamaica. Jacko, yes, we are definitely not surprised by this, considering her ranking in the world. She's ranked number 2 in the world, as it relates to women in sport, in track and field. Yes, a whole number 2. So we are not surprised by this. So Shericka Jackson clearly getting a nomination here. 100 200 meter specialist at this moment, but we don't know, so she can kick out teeth in the 400 meters as well. But with that said, this season is the world 200 meter champion as well as the 100 meter silver medalist, plus of course walking home with a double banger for the Diamond League 100 and 200 meters. So yes, she definitely walked away with those 2 Diamond League crowns. And of course, trackies, just to spice things up a little bit more, she's definitely also walked away with the women's 4x100 meter silver medal from the World Championships. Now moving on, trackies, to this stellar superstar athlete this season, and the athlete that I named at the beginning of the 2023 season to walk away with this title this year, and that is Faith Kipyegon. Boy, I don't want people to call me too much cutlass, but still, you know what I mean? I have to rep my girl Shericka Jackson, but Faith Kipyegon, what a phenomenal athlete she is. She's from Kenya, of course, going over the distances of the 1500 meter, the mile, and of course the 5000 meter, and incidentally shattering all 3 records for these distances this season. However, at the end of the season, the 5000 meter world record was snatched back from her, but that doesn't change the fact that Faith Kipyegon in one season smashed the 1500 meter world record, smashed the mile world record, and of course the 5000 meter world record. Now, what did she also do this season? Well, she is the world champion over the 1500 meters and the 5000 meters. And trackies clearly walking away with the Diamond League trophy in the 1500 meters. Faith Kipyegon has been literally uncontested this season over any distance she has lined up in. And trackies, I'm not gonna lie, when I think about her years in the sport and the fact that she has continuously performed well, and this season had such a bang up year, for me she goes in as the number 1 draft for this particular title as it relates to being World Athlete of the Year. But Shericka can put up a fight, and yeah, me I gonna bring me look at Shericka as well to put up a strong fight against Faith Kipyegon. But definitely I believe that Faith Kipyegon is the one to take home this title. Now Chuck is moving on. We have Haruka Kitakuji from Japan. She's the javelin thrower. She's also the world champion in this event, and of course she is the Diamond League champion. Now moving on, we have Yaroslava Mahuchik from Ukraine. She does the high jump. She's the world champion in the high jump and also the Diamond League champion in the high jump. Now track is in continuing. Yes, we have a whole 11 to get through, and I want to introduce them all. We have Maria Perez from Spain. She does the race walk. Now she is the world 20k and 35k race walk champion and also the world record holder at the 35-kilometer race walk. Now also in continuing, we have Gudaf Sagai from Ethiopia, a champion female as well over the 5000 and the 10,000 5,000-meter distance. I spoke of her earlier. She snagged back that 5,000-meter world record right at the end of the season in the Diamond League finals from Faith Kipyegon. But with that said, this season she is the 10,000-meter world champion over that distance at the World Championships. And of course, she is the Diamond League 5,000-meter champion. And of course, as I said, the world record holder at that distance. And of course, Shakis, we have the one that the world has been waiting on for years that promised so much from her junior days, running 10.75, shocking the world. Shakis, I'm talking about the one and only Sha'Carri Richardson. Yes, Sha'Carri Richardson is also nominated on this list to be World Athlete of the Year. Now, clearly her distances are the 100 meters and the 200 meters. And this year, she had a stellar year, walking away with the World Championship title over the 100-meter distance and also a bronze medal, Trackies, for the women's 200 meters. And let's not forget, because we have to throw in the other gold in because that other gold matters and it matters a lot. Now, she also anchored her 4x1 relay women's team to gold, Trackies, holding off the equally impressive Shericka Jackson to walk away with that gold medal. So Sha'Carri Richardson in her first year garnering 3 medals, also getting a nomination for World Athlete of the Year. Phenomenal. Now, Chucky, the next athlete on this list is Yulimar Rojas from Venezuela. And of course, she does the triple jump, an event that she has dominated for years and has become the greatest of all time in this event, holding both world records indoor and outdoor. Now, what did she do this season? Well, nothing short of being the best, clearly. She is the world champion and, of course, the Diamond League champion in the triple jump. Now, Trackies, last but not least, we have Winfred Yavi from Bahrain, the 3,000-meter steeplechase bully. Now, she is the world champion in this event and also the Diamond League champion in this event, running the fastest time in the world this year over the women's 3,000-meter steeplechase. So, Trackies, yes, that was a mouthful. That's a whole 11 phenomenal female athletes that are nominated for World Female Athlete of the Year. Now, for me, Trackies, personally, I have already picked out a few in my mind as it relates to, who would really or who will really be challenging for the top spot. And the few that I picked out, and few meaning two, I've definitely picked out Shericka Jackson. She's defending World 200-meter champion. She defended her title successfully, as well as Faith Kipyegon. Another superb season, but I definitely think it is unmatched by any other athlete this season by far. So, Chuckies, let's see what happens when this list is cut down to maybe about 5/3 potentially. Let's see the ladies that are left to stand at the end of the day. But I do believe that the ladies on this list, all 11 of them, had a really, really phenomenal season in track and field, Trackies, and I can't wait to see what they do in the years to come. But as it stands now, my top 2 picks right now are Faith Kipyegon and Shericka Jackson. Sound off in the comment section below and let me know, who do you think will challenge for that top spot? If you don't agree with the Shericka Jackson and the Faith Kipyegon, who do you think? Like the video, of course, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.